Welcome to another informative session. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're delving into the complex world of staffing your facility. In the next few minutes, we'll address how to calculate the perfect number of maintenance staff needed for your facility beyond just considering the facility's size. We'll also discuss some of the key factors you need to weigh in and how tools like a computerized maintenance management system can assist you in making informed decisions. So stick around as we unravel this crucial aspect of operations and maintenance planning. Nationwide, the median number of full-time maintenance workers per facility is 1 for every 50,000 square feet. However, this number is a broad average across all industries, and it might not be the perfect fit for your specific needs. Remember, square footage is not the sole factor to consider when staffing your facility. In fact, other factors such as your technician to manager ratio might be even more crucial. So, where should you begin? A good starting point is to look at what similar companies are doing. If you can find data on the average number of maintenance staff employed by companies in your industry, you can compare that with their average square footage. This comparison can give you a rough estimate to work from. But what other factors should you consider? Here are some key questions you need to answer when determining your staffing needs. First, what level of safety and functionality do you need in the area? Second, what types of maintenance tasks typically need to be fulfilled? Third, how many assets do you need to maintain? Fourth, how old are those assets? Fifth, how many work orders do you receive per asset? And finally, what is your average response time for fulfilling those work orders? In most cases, the answers to these questions will have a greater impact on your staffing levels than square footage alone. So don't forget to take a close look at them. Here's a tip. Tools such as a computerized maintenance management system can track this data for you and assist you in making informed staffing decisions. Now, let's talk about scenarios where you have an especially large facility to manage. In these situations, the size of the space becomes more relevant. The more time your technicians spend traveling from one asset to the next, the less work they'll be able to accomplish in a day. In this case, you'll want to compare work order completion rates with your maintenance plans. If your maintenance planning is up to par, but your technicians are struggling to complete all their daily tasks, you might have a problem with travel time. However, if they're finishing everything too quickly, you might have too many staff members. So it's all about finding that perfect balance. Thank you for watching this session on facility staffing. We've covered how to calculate the ideal number of maintenance staff, the importance of considering factors beyond facility size, and how a computerized maintenance management system can aid in these decisions. If you found this information useful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our solutions, visit upkeep.com. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable content. And remember, it's all about finding the perfect balance for your facility's needs.